Hello everyone, welcome back to HTML tutorial for beginners. So this is a follow-up of previous video. In this video, we are going to dive deep into a more HTML syntax. So let me go from the top. So you know that it's a doc type. And the first line, doc type HTML, is a representation of a document type and help the web browser to display the web page correctly. And this syntax should appear only once at the top of the web page. It is not case sensitive and it defines the HTML5 syntax. That is the purpose of line number 1. And all the HTML tags should go inside this HTML tags. And the basic split up is head and body tag. Head is responsible for metadata information and body is responsible for whatever you are seeing inside the web browser. So with that being said, let's go into a heading. In HTML, we have heading from H1 to H6. H1 is the most important heading and H6 is the least important heading. Let me show you how this H1 to H6 headings look like. So we have 6 headings. Let's name this as H2 and I will replace this as H3. H4, H5 and H6. And this p tag is responsible for rendering the paragraph, and whatever the content that you put over here will be rendered as a paragraph on the web page. And if you want to insert a hyperlink, then you need to use an anchor tag, and the syntax is angular bracket, and inside the angular bracket the tag name is a, and you should have a closing angular bracket. And you need to specify the navigation link where you want to navigate if a user click on the hyperlink, and that you should put inside the first tag. So here you need to define the href, which is an attribute, and here you need to give the URL. Let's say I want to navigate user to google.com, so you have to define it like that. And what is the hyperlink text that you want to show to the user? That should go inside this tags. I will type go to Google, and this is the text appeared on the web page with hyperlink as www.google.com, and this is HTML link. And let's say you want to render an image inside the HTML document. So for that you need to use a tag name called img. So img represent the image tag, and when you type img, it has two attributes. One is src and another one is alt attribute. So src is a source which defines the source of your image. I have already kept the image here, which is a sample image, and the name of the image is image.png. So you have to put image.jpg here to render this image inside the web page, and alt define the alternative text. So what is alt means? In any scenario, if the web page failed to generate this image, then this alternative text should be visible to the user. I'll put it as sample image. So this is a image tag responsible for rendering the image, and just save this and go to our live server. Now you can see we have headings from h1 to h6 followed by paragraph and anchor tag and image. Let's see how it rendered the web page. So this is h1 and this is h6, which is the least important heading, and this is a paragraph text, and our image is rendered here. And now we can see the anchor tag here at the end. So we have the text go to Google, and if I click on go to Google, you can see the redirection from our live server to google.com. So now you got some idea about the HTML. Let's dive deep into the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.